guys. So, it's super windy out and kind of chilly, but I thought I would take a walk and show you some of my neighborhood, or some of my favorite places around my neighborhood. So, yeah, let's do it. So it's pretty nice and serene right here. This little pond. Not sure what the name of this pond is, but it's pretty fucking awesome. This place is a pretty good place to think about life and everything. I think in this video I'm gonna put some of my nature pictures and stuff so you guys can check some stuff out. I'm freezing. Up here a ways on this bike trail, there's like a little side thing, like a side forest that I always used to think was hidden when I was little, and I never thought anybody would be able to find me here. So I'd always run to it, and yeah, to hide from things. So I'll show you that here in a second. Alright, here it is back in here. Follow the little snow path. There might actually be kids down here, because I know a lot of kids like to come down here and do stupid things that kids do. It's right here by the pond though, so it's like not even far. I don't know why I thought I could hide here. I don't know. When you're little you can make any place your hiding place, I suppose. Get away from people. But yeah, it's awfully cool down here. It's a little frozen part of the pond. We'll walk down here. Maybe. It's kind of sketchy doing this with just a freaking camera or a phone in my hand. I originally had no idea what I was going to make this video about, but then one of my friends, this little dude named Charlie, told me to do some nature stuff, so yeah, that's what I'm doing this video about. But yeah, so cool. And then down here, I'm gonna walk over here. Hold on. Whoa. Oh shit. But yeah, it's really beautiful over here. Like how I said children hang out over here, and I put a Miller Lite can. Don't drink unless you're of legal age, or I'll find you. Alright, so now we're gonna walk over to this other little spot that I found back in like 5th grade. And I thought it was fucking awesome because I was in 5th grade. And a lot of like hobos sleep back here. But hopefully we'll be able to get back here without anybody seeing us. A lot of the assholes that I went to school with come over here and play fucking disc hockey or something like that. Disc golf. So yeah, I typically try to not converse with them because they're assholes. And now we're up here on top of some train tracks. I went from there through here and up that to get onto these train tracks. It's nice to walk on these when you don't have anybody else to hang out with. And then I don't know if you guys can see, I don't really want to go down there because it's fucking sketchy as hell walking on all these rocks and snow. But way down there There's like a little secret like back trail like stream thing, and it's really cool during the summer. But yeah, I think that concludes my exploring today, so just gonna sit up here in Spoka Square and enjoy the rest of my day. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, and like it, share it with your friends, and I'll post some nature pictures in the video. I'm also making a website to like show you guys all my nature photos, so I'll probably have that done soon. And yeah, so and I'm just gonna enjoy this and enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you guys have an awesome day too. See ya.